subscribers. So now we are in the premium room of Courtyard Marriott Aravali. Come, take a look. Like in the deluxe and the family room, the washroom is on the left hand side. It has a WC with similar textures and a shower area. The mirror on the opposite side is as elaborate with some nice lighting which can actually give you a good spot for makeup. On this side we've got the air mirror. This room, unlike the deluxe room, is much more spacious. It has a nice beautiful bed and good sitting area. But even after the sitting area, having sofa, 2 chairs, 1 table, there's enough and more room. There's enough and more space in the room. There's also a small sitting area here where the kids can sit comfortably. On the side, I personally like this wooden sitting. So this is also there wherein not just that you can sit, you can keep your stuff while you're sitting on the sofa. There's also beautiful texture in the room beside the sofa or sitting area. This looks really soothing and really beautiful. Along with the room, there comes a sit-out area, which is again big. I personally feel that on a rainy day, this will be one of the best places to spend the time there. Having a tea or some nice assorted pakoras sitting here is going to be really beautiful. And in fact, I found a very beautiful butterfly here. So you see how close we are to nature. Thank you guys.